Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share few pocket ideas for journaling. I personally love including pockets in my journaling spreads. Pocket adds a layer to the spreads and also give an extra space for tucking in stuffs, making the spread interactive. So let's begin with some easy pocket ideas for journaling. Before heading to the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more craft and junk journal videos. First, let's look into the adhesive options that you'll be needing. Washi tape, double-sided tape or tissue tape, white glue, glue stick and a stapler. Let's get into the idea number 1, in which I'll show you some pocket ideas using envelope. For the first, take a junk window mail and cut it to the size of your journal if it's too big and stick it on the page using glue. This creates a great pocket idea for photos. For the next, take an envelope like this one. I made this using children's book page. Stick the envelope directly onto the page like so. Another is making long envelope like this one into a page. Take white washi tape and stick the envelope on the journal like a separate page. I'm using glue stick as the washi tape was not sticky enough. For the last envelope pocket idea, take any envelope and using glue, stick the seal flap on the edge of the journal page like so and cut it if the envelope seems bigger than the page. That makes a flip out pocket. Moving to the idea number 2, basic top loading pocket. Take any card or pattern paper, stick it on the page from all the 3 sides, leaving the top. I also make inverted pockets with this idea. For the next idea, I'll show you some pocket ideas that can be made while you make or stitch your journal. First one is simply folding an envelope in half and stitching it. Second is stitching the envelope between the seal flap and throat of the envelope. Third is using paper bag. Fold the paper bag in half and stitch it. For the fourth, use a large paper bag, fold it in half and also fold a little portion either from top or bottom to make extra pocket. Stitch the bag from the fold and stick the open ending of the top fold like so to make it as a pocket. Fourth, fold a small portion from your journal page like so and seal the 2 opening, and that creates a page pocket. For the next pocket idea, take a square shaped paper or cardstock and fold it diagonally, cut it. Using glue, stick bottom and right side of the triangle to the bottom corner of the page. Also secure it with stapler. Easy and beautiful corner pocket to tuck in tags and flashcards. Take an acetate or bouquet sheet or any transparent sheet like this. Using double-sided tape, stick 3 sides of the sheet to the page. Pockets like this can be used to hold photos or decorative tags. Coming to the 7th idea, take any strip of ribbon, paper, fabric or a cardstock. Using glue double-sided tape or stapler, seal the 2 sides like so to make a belly band. For this idea, take a square shaped card. I'm using a chocolate cover. Fold it diagonally and stick a double-sided tape on the middle as shown in the video, and stick this pocket piece on the page of your journal. To make photo frame pocket, you'll need a card. Cut any shape on the middle of the card and stick this to your journal page, leaving the top side to slide in the photo. I don't have a perfect photo to fit into this frame pocket. I am just demonstrating how the pocket functions. You can also reuse these frames from greeting cards and invitations to make photo frame pockets. Heading to the last pocket idea for journaling, take 2 photos. I have taken 2 small sized photos for the purpose of this video. If the photos are little big, it will look more beautiful. Back these photos together to make top loading pocket using double-sided tape. Stick washi on one side of the pocket and stick it on the edge of the page. And that makes an easy flip-up photo pocket. I hope you found this video creative and inspiring. Make sure to check out my other videos on DIYs and junk journaling. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.